When you open Catia for the first time, you will see this interface. This is the main menu of Catia. It contains several options, that is Edit, View and Other. We will learn about these options in our upcoming lectures. Right now, go to Start. Here you will see different Catia modules, but we will only focus on mechanical design. In mechanical design, you can see the different options. In this course, we are going to learn these different options. To create a part design in Catia, we need to select this part design option. Here we can name the part we want to make. Name as part 1. OK. This is the main workspace of Catia. These are the different planes on which we will do our part designing. We can select these planes from design tree at left top of the screen. You can notice that whenever I go to the different planes, the plane get highlighted present in the middle. We can also select the planes from here. At right, you can see the different toolbars that we are going to use during the course. If you want to start sketching, for that we need to first select some plane. Select XY plane, then select sketch option from the toolbar. This will bring us to the workbench of Catia. So this is called the workbench of Catia, where we will do all our part designing. This is the XY plane that we have selected. That means right now we are working in XY plane. At right, we can see the different toolbars that we will use for our part designing. You can easily drag out these toolbars. Now drag all toolbars one by one. We can also shift these toolbars at top if we want. First select and drag it to the top. This is the operation toolbar and these are sub tools of operation toolbar. Next is profile toolbar. We will learn all these different tools in our upcoming lectures. This is the constraint toolbar which is used to give dimension to the sketch. If you ever cancel the toolbar by mistake, then simply go to the tool customize toolbar. Here you can restore all your default toolbar positions. Select restore position, OK, close. Now you can see that all the toolbars restore to their original position. If you want to exit this current workbench, then select exit workbench from the toolbar. So this was the basic intro of Catia interface and workbench.